Hi, my name is Lisa Simmons. I've been at Big Dog for about 2 years. My husband and I were in real estate previously, and we did renovate houses, but we renovated about 1 to 2 houses at a time. Well, I've been wanting to join the Big Dog program for at least 2 years prior to that, and it's like, no, you don't need that. You've got the knowledge, you can do this, blah, blah, blah. Well, I had knowledge, but it wasn't in order. I didn't have a system, and I probably spent $25,000 or $30,000 prior to joining the Big Dog program. But I knew I needed the Big Dog program. I needed the training. I love the philosophy of the culture and the fact that you don't need to be pigeonholed into doing just one kind of strategy, but that you could actually learn lots of different kinds of strategies. And by doing that, be able to help a much broader range of people. And we are in the people business. We're in real estate and we deal with people. So to me, that was really important. I did not have that. The people that I had been mentored by were very single focused. But I really haven't, my nature is not to follow what the majority of people do. It's to kind of pioneer and kind of figure out a better way, a different way. And so I really, really liked what Phil and Shanoa talked about. What they cultivated was a culture, a family, and multiple ways of doing business in real estate, which could also translate into multiple streams of income. So the reason I joined the program was because of all the training. I mean, there's enough training to last you for 10 years. It is unbelievable. I mean, it's just, well, y'all know that I'm not telling you anything. It's just totally amazing. And I am a perennial student. I love studying. I love learning. That's what I do for relaxation. Then I love the challenge of applying. So for me, it was like a buffet of dessert, all this training. So I went ahead and joined the program without my husband's consent, and that's the only part of what I'm telling you that I don't really recommend. Really need to be in agreement, but in the end, I think he would wholeheartedly agree that it was an awesome decision. So the reason I joined the program was all the massive training. The reason I've stayed with the program is for the culture, the family. There, like I said at the beginning, there are many people in here that I have submitted an idea of a deal to, and they have come back with an idea that was revolutionary in my business and enabled me to make an amazing amount of money. So just to fast forward to the results today, at the beginning of this year, we started out, remember we were doing 1 to 2 rehabs at a time. Starting out at the beginning of this year, we were doing 11 rehabs and building 2 new luxury homes in the $700,000 to $850,000 range. Our income has gone from what my husband made as a corporate executive. He decided to leave his corporate executive business and do this full time with me after I begged him incessantly. We can do this together. We can make a great team. To making over 5 times the income in this year so far that he made as a corporate executive. This is profit. It has revolutionized our business being a part of this family. I'm so grateful. Phil and Shanoa have just been awesome, and of course I'm not telling y'all anything new, but it's been very nice to text or call and get a response right away. The previous programs I was in did not offer that. Also, I think it's very important that they are here in Texas, because in Texas a lot of things are done differently than they are in other parts of the country. That was also something I didn't have in the other programs. I, probably like many of you, have pages and pages and pages and pages of notes that I've taken from the 3 and 4 calls that we have every advantage of. And all of us can learn from each other in that way in a very safe, controlled environment. So for me, I have absolutely flourished in this environment. And I know there are several new big dogs in here. I think there's about 20 big dogs in here, new ones. Would you like to hold your hand up? Awesome. So a lot of what I'm sharing is for you. There is so much you have to look forward to. There are so many people in this family that want to help you. I personally love working with newbies that haven't gone into real estate until they got into this program. There's a lot out there that I'm partnering with on a massive level. We are creating a machine, and y'all know who you are. Many of you that I've partnered with, and it's been delightful. And so I really want to encourage the new ones. You are in the time of your life. It is awesome. And for those of us that have been around for a year or two, isn't it awesome? And don't we have so much more to look forward to? So I just wanted to encourage you and thank you all for being part of my life. Any way that I can help you, I am so happy to do that.